You made it. Another week, another round of stress, wins, challenges, and everything in between. But let me ask you something. Are you surviving your week, or are you actually experiencing your life? Welcome back to the Cosmic Ballet. I'm your host, Fish. Change your rhythm, change your mindset, but most importantly, change your life. All right, people, it's Friday, but the truth is, Friday isn't just a finish line. It's a moment of awareness, a checkpoint, a reminder that your life isn't just about what you do. It's about how you feel as you move through it. Today's Friday fix isn't about crashing on the couch or counting down to happy hour. It's about realigning your rhythm with presence, reconnecting to your center before the weekend sweeps you away. Let's slow it down and tune in. Let's be honest. Most of us are spinning through life with our minds somewhere else. You wake up, grab your phone, check the time, maybe scroll a little. Then suddenly, it's noon. And you're not even sure where the morning went. That's not living. That's functioning. And while survival mode has its place, you weren't born just to go through it. Every moment that you rush through unconsciously is a moment you'll never get back. That's not meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Right now, you have a choice to pause, to breathe, to pull yourself out of the cycle of go, 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 and gently drop into now. Because the greatest mistake we make is believing we'll find peace at the end of the checklist. Newsflash, you won't. You'll find it right here when you stop, look around, and remember that being alive is not the same as being present. You are not your fatigue. You are not your to-do list. You are not even your stress. You are a director of energy, whether you're aware of it or not. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every emotion you allow to settle is a signal, a command, a ripple you send out into your internal and external world. So the real question isn't how much energy do you have? The real question is, where are you sending it? Are you using your energy to spiral in worry, to rehearse worst case scenarios? Or are you using it to move towards peace, clarity, and alignment? This is what empowered living looks like. Not having more energy, but consciously choosing what gets your energy. Protect it like it's sacred, because it is. Let's simplify this right now. Mindfulness isn't a luxury just for yogis or monks. It's not something you need a retreat or a robe or an app to practice. Mindfulness is a moment-to-moment agreement to be here, to listen fully when someone speaks to you, to actually taste your food instead of inhaling it in front of a screen, to step outside and feel the wind, not just walk through it. And most of all, mindfulness is how you stop missing your own life. It's a practice, not a performance. It's a sacred discipline that says, I care enough about my life to actually show up for it. So today, tonight, this weekend, can you show up for your life more than you scroll past it? Because presence isn't the absence of distraction. It's the power of returning again and again and again. Here's a truth I want you to lock into your nervous system. Gratitude is not the result of good circumstances. It's the generator of them. When you tune into what's good, what's beautiful, what's working, you shift your frequency. And when your frequency shifts, your reality follows. Think about it. How differently do you move through the world when you're grateful? You breathe deeper. You smile easier. You forgive faster. You attract better. Gratitude opens doors, not metaphorically, literally. It tells the universe, I see what I have, and I'm ready for more. But if you're only ever focused on what's missing, you're magnetizing lack. So make this a daily ritual. 3 things every night. What am I grateful for? What made me smile? What taught me something? That's your power. That's your portal. Let's be real. Most people spend their weekends either numbing out or catching up. But what if you used your weekend as a sacred pause? A conscious recalibration. A space not just to escape your week, but to elevate your frequency. It starts with intention, not task, not chores, not plans, just energy. Ask yourself this: how do I want to feel by Sunday night? Maybe it's rested. Maybe it's joyful. Maybe it's inspired. Then reverse engineer your weekend from that feeling. Let it be the compass for every decision. Let it guide what you say yes to and what you protect yourself from. This is not about being productive. This is about being aligned. Because when you set a high tone for your weekend, you start your next week ahead of the curve. Friday is not the end. It's the beginning of your next layer of alignment. This week, whatever happened, release it. Forgive yourself. Celebrate yourself. And carry forward only what serves your next evolution. Because your rhythm is sacred. Your energy is magnetic. And your presence, it's powerful. I'm Fish. This is the Cosmic Ballet. Change your rhythm. Change your mindset. But most importantly, change your life.